I would like to highlight a few things about Daphine's character. I'm sure you know this, but the examples you haven't yet heard. She is highly influential, extremely. In fact, really, the things that Daphine made us do was too much. We went on diets because of Daphine. We would eat bread without Blue Band and drink black tea without sugar because we were trying to lose weight. She was in S3 and we were in P6. I don't know why we were losing weight, but we were. Abe, you have a great woman by your side. I know everyone has said it, but I will stress the point. You are marrying a virtuous woman. Congratulations again, and thank you all for celebrating with us the start of something beautiful.
Stephen Nagoretti Bamanga, and she says, I came, I settled in a home, and I received all the love, care, and warmth generated by that SB uncle with a chest full of only one organ, Omutima.
My honey, taking me go Colombia. He promised he go carry me go anywhere. My husband to carry you go anywhere. The way you take the fire, you go less my tire. Oh baby, just the fire. Your baby not terrible. Beat him, take him for up and take him for down. Beat him, bring me down and I take him around.
Daphine, you are my great admiration, my friend. I want to give you this ring to affirm that love and promise that we are just beginning.
Oh baby, Joe for me.